First of all, I thank the MPSS Security Agency Training Center for inviting me as a guest of honor on this occasion. It is indeed a pleasure and an honor to be present at the closing ceremony of the 10th batch of Unarmed Security Guard training. I would like to congratulate Bamuksor and all the trainees who have successfully completed this training. Completing such training is not an easy. It requires discipline, patience, physical fitness, and mental strength. Today marks the end of your training, but it is also the beginning of your professional responsibility. The role of a security guard is very important in society. You are not just a guards, but you are the protectors of life, property, and discipline. You are the first line of defense in offices, institutions, banks, and public places. Your alertness, honesty, and sense of duty can prevent any unwanted incidents. I appreciate the efforts of the Managing Director, the trainers and staff of MPSS Security Agency for providing proper training, guidance. The most important thing is discipline to these trainees. Training does not only build skills, but it also builds character and confidence. I would like to say something to the trainees that always perform your duty with sincerity and integrity. Be alert, punctual, and responsible at your workplace. Respect your seniors, cooperate with your colleagues, and most be polite to the public. Remember, your behavior reflects not only on you, but also on the organization you represent. Before I conclude, I once again congratulate the 10th batch and wish each one of you a successful and disciplined career. May you serve society with dedication and pride. I wish MPSS agency continued success in training. More such discipline and capable security personnel in future. Thank you once again for giving me this opportunity. God bless us all.